Hi folks, and welcome back to the Goldwing Rambler. Today I'm en route to Schwanenstein, that's in Germany. It's a 3 hours ride, it's a relaxed ride, and it should be fun. There's a fairly big lake here on the left hand side, not so sure what is the name, I can't see it here on the map. But it goes on for quite a bit. The weather is really good as well. What do we have? About 18 degrees at the moment. Beautiful day. Well, I've seen a sign now, so that's the Bühlsee in Immerstadt. There's a nice lake. It's also, what I could see is the people are fishing there and swimming in the lake. Looks nice, the village here. That road here is the Alpenstraße, so the mountain roads. It goes through the mountains, through the valleys here. It's a very good road. The views are great here. The lake here on the right hand side is Weißensee. It's a big lake. Arrived at the hotel here. I'm staying at the Hideout Hotels, not far away from Schloss Schwanenstein. So I'm gonna check in now, and then after that I'll be visiting the castle.